Maybe you're planning a cruise with a group of friends or family, or you know someone who's going on their first cruise and you want to help them to be more prepared. This cruise focused gift guide will help you get started. You may even find that one or two of these 35 clever cruise gift ideas will make their way onto your wish list this season. We've put together some fun, useful, and clever gifts that your friends and family will actually appreciate and use to make their cruise experience a little bit more comfortable. But honestly, this gift guide can be used year-round, and we've incorporated a variety of stuff for different budgets and interests. We're going to share some packing essentials, some just for fun travel gifts, budget-friendly items under 15 bucks, and even some beauty and toiletry items. Those are some of my favorite things to gift to people because they're small and everybody needs them. All of these gift-worthy travel and cruise items can be found in our Amazon store, except maybe one or two. And we're gonna link to each item individually in the description and the comments for ease of reference. But we also have a blog post gift guide with some photos and some links in it. You should know too that this video contains affiliate links, which means that we earn a commission if you make a purchase through our links, and it comes at no extra cost to you and helps to support our channel. Let's start with our first category today. It is tech and gear. Super fun to gift to anyone. We could start with things like chargers. You can give the gift of power with a variety of different chargers, including phone chargers, tablet chargers, even laptop chargers. Hopefully you won't need a laptop on a cruise, but a spare one is always nice if you just have to work. A versatile charging hub can also be a really thoughtful gift. Now, pro tip for you. Power strips are actually being banned more and more on cruises, so stick with really simple charging solutions like cables that plug directly into the USB or power in the room, and then some portable chargers and charging pads. Those kinds of things usually don't get confiscated. Next up, a Kindle or an e-reader is a wonderful way to help your loved one enjoy their favorite books on the go. You just save them so much space in their suitcase. You might want to consider a model with a waterproof feature or a light for added peace of mind. E-readers are also awesome for flights, and they take up very, very little space. This makes an excellent gift. Tech organizer bags are great as well. You can keep your cables, your chargers, SD cards, and other tech stuff organized and easy to reach with a stylish little tech organizer bag. You want to choose one with compartments and pockets to keep everything in its place. Don't go too big or too small. These come in a huge variety of sizes. How about a camera? It's always good to capture those cruise memories with a high quality camera. Whether they want a DSLR, mirrorless, or a simple point and shoot, there is a camera to suit every budget and preference. Sometimes though, a newer phone is all you need for fabulous photos on a cruise, so maybe buy your loved one an upgrade. But if not, an action camera like a GoPro can be really fun for beach days, shore excursions, trips down the water slide. You get the idea. Those high adventure activities on a cruise where you need something a little bit more rugged, perfect for a GoPro. How about some binoculars? You can spot wildlife, landmarks, distant cruise ships. I love checking out other ships in the distance. Just grab a couple of binoculars and throw them in your suitcase. And you can do a couple of different things. You can go high end and pick a full-size pair with waterproof and fog-proof features, or you can just opt for a compact budget pair, which is totally what I do. If you know someone who's traveling internationally, you might want to consider travel adapters. They ensure that you can charge your devices anywhere in the world with an adapter set. Now, you might want to look for one that includes adapters for multiple countries. These are really, really cool, and some of them cover you in up to 160 different locations. Now, for someone who runs a little warm, a travel fan is an amazing gift. You can keep them cool and comfortable during their cruise with a portable fan. You can find one with multiple speed settings and an easily chargeable battery for convenience. These come in neck fan styles, handheld styles, and even clip-on or desktop styles. All right, let's shift gears and talk about some packing essentials. And we gotta start with packing cubes. I've been touting the benefits of packing cubes for over 10 years, and I do not plan to stop soon. So join the Packing Cube Club and help your friends and family organize their luggage and maximize the space in their suitcase with a set of packing cubes. You can pick different sizes to accommodate various different items. Now here's a pro tip for you. If you're cruising somewhere cold where bulky clothes are required, you might wanna take some compression suction packing cubes. Those remove excess air from the packing cube, allowing you to maximize the suitcase space and pack just a little bit more. Suitcases are an amazing gift as well. There's so many good ones right now on Amazon, you guys. They're all going on sale. You can give them a durable and stylish suitcase to transport all of their belongings in whatever size, weight, and feature you'd like. But I suggest looking for one with really high quality wheels. I love the Level 8 brand. They just can't be beat for durability, wheel quality, and overall value. And we've got a discount code down below for you, but I also have lots of Amazon choices as well. A personal item bag is another excellent gift idea. Personal item bag is super important for carrying smaller things like electronics, toiletries, and snacks, whether it's on the plane or your first day on a cruise ship. You're going to want to look for one with multiple compartments and some pockets for organization. Just be aware of those flight restrictions if you're flying to the cruise. And for your first day, make sure that that personal item bag isn't too heavy because you might be stuck with it for a few hours. That brings me to my next gift idea, a backpack. A versatile backpack can be used for excursions, shopping, or carrying extra layers. You can choose one with comfortable straps, lots of pockets. Pro tip on this: if you're buying a gift for someone who loves souvenirs, giving them an empty, packable backpack to fill with goodies and bring home is an awesome way to help them prepare for their cruise and to prepare for maybe bringing home more than they took with them. And again, wonderful for that first day of a cruise when you need to tote something around with you with just the basics, but it's not too heavy. Beach bags are also a great gift. A spacious one is perfect for carrying towels, sunscreens, beach essentials, water shoes. Look for something made from durable materials that can withstand sand and water. This one meets those requirements and it zips closed. Win-win. Let's talk about some budget and practical stuff that's under $15 a pop. Luggage tags. They keep luggage easily identifiable, they're colorful, they're durable, they're really cheap. You can pick tags with a sturdy strap and lots of space to write their name, or, pro tip, they now have hidden name and address luggage tags if you're concerned about privacy. Waterproof phone holders are a cool gift too. You can protect their phone or your phone and other valuables from water damage or just water and sand in general, with a waterproof phone case or a holder. Now look for one that is waterproof and floats. In case it gets dropped, it won't sink in the water. Personally, I use these for other things other than my phone, like my room card for the cruise, credit cards, cash, little tiny things so that I can go for a swim rather than getting stuck babysitting my valuables on my cruise beach day. See why it's a good gift? Snack holders and pouches are also a really fun thing to give. These handy little containers keep your favorite snacks organized and easily accessible during your flight or cruise. I use them more on a flight than a cruise, if I'm being honest. They come in lots of sizes and materials, and they're great for storing things like energy bars, crackers, nuts, fruit, chips. They really are a lifesaver for our family when we got kind of munchy and there's no food for purchase on a flight. A wet swimsuit bag can be really handy if you're going to a beachy destination. You can keep your swimsuit separate from the dry clothes and pop the wet swimsuit bag into your backpack after you go swimming or on a shore excursion. Pick one with a waterproof lining. They've gotten so much more affordable these days, and they come in really cool prints and colors. Magnets are also a fantastic budget gift idea, and most first-time cruisers have no idea that their cruise stateroom walls are metal and thus they are magnetic. So you can help them decorate their metal cruise stateroom walls with fun and practical magnets from their cruise destination, and pick some that have hooks and clips for a variety of uses. Really practical gift. Sunglasses also make an excellent gift idea, and no one is ever going to complain about protecting their eyes from the sun with a stylish pair of sunnies. So pick some with polarized lenses to reduce glare and improve visibility. These are under 15 bucks on Amazon. Great values for men and women, and I can tell you guys, I love taking inexpensive ones on my beach days so they don't get wrecked. A sleep mask is an incredible gift to make sure someone gets a good night's sleep on the ship with a really, really cozy, soft finish. Look for one that's adjustable, again, with a really soft fabric and that just blocks out that light. Towel bands are also really inexpensive and handy to keep their towels in place by the pool deck when it gets windy. You can choose bands or clips in different colors or finishes, and it helps you to also easily identify the towels. Let's talk about our last category, beauty and toiletries. A hanging toiletry bag is a really good place to start to keep their toiletries organized and easily accessible with one of these bags. Look for something with a hook and multiple compartments and pockets to store everything neatly in. Travel size makeup is also a huge win gift. Pack light and look your best with little teeny tiny travel size makeup essentials. You can find eyeshadow compacts, mini mascaras, concealers, perfumes, you name it, you can find it. Foundations, sunscreens, and these fit so much better into your carry-on bag. Speaking of your carry-on bag, you're going to want to get a TSA-friendly toiletry or liquid bag. If you're flying inside the US, these clear bags are usually approved for flights in the country when packed appropriately. Just be sure to stick to 3.4 ounces of liquid per item that you tuck into these cute little bags, and don't overpack them. Makeup remover wipes are also great to have. It makes removing your makeup on the go really easy with a pack of these. So they're super gentle on your skin, and honestly, I use them almost every day when I cruise because I just don't want to take that much time scrubbing with all of my different cleansers. So when I'm at a hotel, I'll usually use one of these wipes and then do a real quick cleanse afterwards. They take up so little space. I also recently discovered water-activated cleansing wipes. Now these keep your skin clear and refreshed, and what you do is just activate them with a little bit of water and you have an instant washcloth with soap on it. They last a really long time, and they replace the need to travel with liquid face soap entirely. Travel-sized toiletry kits and gift sets are really popular this time of year. You've got to get onto Amazon and look at some of these. They're so cute. If you're putting together a little gift bag, these are awesome to include in like a toiletry bag or a gift bag. They come in lots of different sizes and styles and price points. I honestly get my little individual travel stuff usually at stores like Walmart and Target or even like a dollar store, but there's some really fun kits on Amazon right now from brand names. So just watch to make sure that those kits stay under the TSA allowance of 3.4 ounces and watch for sale prices during the big sale events that are coming up on Amazon. Lip care essentials are also great. Nobody is immune from dry lips that come with air travel and the winter months, and really just going somewhere where you're getting a lot of sun and chlorine and salt on your face. So pack a little bit of unscented lip care or scented lip care, whatever you like, into your loved one's stocking, or go for something fun like the Laneige lip balm or Laneige lip sleeping mask. This stuff is amazing and you will be addicted to it. This goes viral every year on Amazon. Now, we've got a few items in the just for fun category, starting with nautical jewelry. I'm actually wearing a little anchor necklace right now. You can add a touch of the sea to their wardrobe with some nautical jewelry, like a anchor pendant or a bracelet with a ship charm. There's some really cute earrings and bracelets in our shopping list. Travel pouches are great to keep small items organized and easily accessible within the little pouches. And you can choose pouches in different sizes and materials. These are great for flights as well. Gift one of these as an airplane survival kit and add to it a charger, lip balm, and hand wipes, and your loved one will be ready to go for their flight. How about a set of new pajamas to ensure that they have comfy and cozy pajamas for their cruise, because we need new jammies for our cruise too, friends. Choose pajamas that match the vibe of the season or even their destination. If you're cruising over Christmas or Thanksgiving, grab some matching pajamas. Get the corny ones that come in all kinds of family colors and styles. If you're going somewhere tropical, there's some really cute tropical short sets. And I would recommend that you size up in the one that I'm putting on the screen right now. These run a little bit small, but they are oh so cute. I also love gifting travel-sized slippers. They keep people's feet warm and dry and just comfortable when you're buzzing around your cruise cabin. Look for lightweight, thin ones that are easy to pack. A water bottle is always a win-win to help people stay hydrated and to save money on drinks on board and at the airport because you can just refill the bottle. Choose a bottle that's durable and leak-proof and super easy to carry and not too big. Wild printed shirts are all the rage right now too, and you can add a touch of personality to someone's cruise wardrobe with some wild stuff. There's bold patterns, bold colors. Amazon has an amazing selection, and I am just amazed at how many cool ones there are for men. Funny t-shirts can be really fun too. There's all kinds of sayings that you can find with jokes and puns, like beware, I bought the drink package. I've linked to some really cute ones. And lastly, custom magnets. Nothing is better than a personalized gift with someone's favorite cruise kind of theme or memory or their name. And you get to choose magnets that are unique and representative of someone's cruise experience. You can actually get a discount code from our friends at Magical Day Creations by using the code CTT10 for 10% off. Of course, that's linked below. All right, that's it for the list, friends. Remember, the best gifts are the ones that are thoughtful and personalized. It's not about how much you spend. It's about reflecting your loved one's interests. So start your shopping early this year and you'll find the perfect gifts for cruise lovers in your life. If you didn't find what you were looking for in this article, check out our cruise store. We have thousands upon thousands of travel-related finds, especially curated for value and cruise worthiness. Happy cruise shopping, friends. Happy holidays. And until next time, we'll see you on the high seas. Bye-bye.